On the establishment configuration page, there are two ways to add a new establishment to the project. The first way is by clicking the Add Establishment button. You'll need to fill in the following fields. First, the name of the establishment. Then, select the company the establishment belongs to. It must already be registered. Next, fill in the group the establishment belongs to. If none exist, you must create one. This field is required and allows establishments to be grouped for analysis. You can group establishments in different ways, such as by city, by size, or by purchasing profile. Then, enter the address and its latitude and longitude coordinates, which are available on Google Maps. Note that this information is automatically filled in by the system when you confirm the address using one of the suggestions that appear below the street, avenue, highway field. If the establishment is listed on TripAdvisor, you can include its page, but this is not a required field. Fill out the address carefully. The platform uses the information provided to locate the establishment. The more accurate the address, the greater the chance of success in the search. Click Finish and Save so the establishment appears in the list with the status. Searching for establishment. The system will begin searching for the establishment using the data you entered. After a few minutes, simply reload the page and the establishment status will change to the Perform Verification button. This confirms that the system has completed the search for the establishment. You must now confirm the address found. To do this, click the button. Then, select the correct address from the results shown. If no results appear, delete the entry and try again, making sure the data matches exactly what's on Google Maps. Once the address is selected, click Save Establishment. After the establishment is verified, its status changes to active, and you will no longer be able to edit the address or the TripAdvisor URL. Customer feedback data for this establishment will begin to appear on the dashboard within 30 minutes for Google Maps and 6 hours for TripAdvisor. Note that after registering, the establishment will have a QR code icon next to its name. Click this icon. It links directly to the review section of the establishment on Google My Business. Download the QR code file and place it wherever your customers can leave a review. It's a great way to increase the number of customer feedbacks. If you've added the TripAdvisor page, another QR code icon linked to that address will also appear. The second way to add establishments is by clicking the Import Establishments button. With this option, you can register multiple establishments at once. To do this, simply click the Import File button and upload the file containing the establishment's information. In just a few moments, the establishments will be added to the project. The file with the registered establishment's data must be in CSV format. To view the file structure, simply click the Import Establishments button, then select View Import Model. A sample file will be loaded. You can use it to fill in the establishments for your projects. Let's go over each column of the file. For demonstration purposes, we'll show the file in Excel format, which is easier to visualize. But don't forget, the final file must be in CSV format. The first column should contain the name of the establishment. The second column should have the name of the establishment's group. The third column must contain the name of the company the establishment belongs to. It's important to enter the company name exactly, as it was registered in the project. The fourth column should contain the TripAdvisor page. This information is optional. The fifth column contains the establishment's coordinates from Google Maps. This is also optional but recommended. The remaining columns include the establishment's address fields: street, number, additional info, neighborhood, city, state, zip code, and country. To get the coordinates of an establishment on Google Maps, you can follow these steps. First, find the desired establishment by typing its address into the Google Maps search bar. Next, right-click on the address marker on the map. Select the first item in the list. That's it. The coordinates of the establishment have been copied to your clipboard. Just paste them into your CSV file. Right after the establishments are registered, their status will appear as searching for establishment. You should wait a few minutes for the system to locate them and then click Perform Verification for each one. Confirm the address for all of them to complete the registration. Now that the establishments have active status, just wait for the feedback to start coming in.